So,
Good afternoon, evening, morning, depending on when we put this out and where you are. We have lots of parts.
I printed a lot of stuff.
I see that.
It's about, I don't know, 20, 30 hours of printing.
And individually, none of them have meaning yet.
And
Collectively,
we're going to build the Bambu Lab marble run. So this is a little component that they sell. They sell, like we showed you our lamps previously, those light kits. This has a little motor in it and some marbles. So then they give you plans to build a marble run, and I decided, why not? We haven't looked at the instructions or anything, so we might build it completely wrong and it might not work.
Those of you who've been with us for a while, you know that's usually not how it works here. Those of you who haven't, that's not how it works here. So welcome aboard.
And then we'll decide if we think this was actually worth the print time. And I got this thing on sale, I think for like $8 when they did their summer anniversary sale. So
it came
Bambu.
straight from Bambu?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
Man, look at that packaging.
yeah,
That's,
you know,
special.
so we'll see. I mean, we'll decide if it was worth it or not. If it works,
Yeah.
if it might not be their fault.
So you're gonna see us do a little time-lapse magic, and probably see us trying to see if parts fit each other or not, but we'll go ahead and see what we can come up with.
Yeah, might take us a day to build
Yeah.
it. Who knows?
If you still see these at the end of the video, may not have panned out.
No, their instructions are 5 minutes. That could translate to 5 hours.
Well, they were right on the printer.
Oh yeah! All right. So as you can see,
Here is our build. It's it's an impressive size. I did break our starting gate, so we don't have a little starting gate flap up here to hold the marbles. We sort of do. I mean, what was your opinion on the build?
Not bad. By far, this part here, the watch band looking device to the elevator.
Yeah, the
That was by far the worst part. You probably will see us struggling with it in the video because you gotta connect them together. And the video we're watching, he just walked up, went beep. It didn't
Yeah.
work like that.
I mean, it could be that I printed it. It could be the filament wasn't that great or something too. But let's just see if
Here we
if
go.
our track falls apart. Man, that moves quick.
Nice. And it's hitting the gaps just right. That's a good sign.
Yeah, a little scrape.
Minimal rubs.
There's one spot. It's probably where we linked one of them. All right, so you know you can make this, and you can do the crank setup for it, and then some people have made their own little marbles or whatever. But we're going 100% official. Got a couple more in here. They're nice and colorful. All right,
Here we go.
our sweet starting gate. Oh, we got a jam on the spiral there.
All right.
One made it up. It went back again.
Here they go. They're taking turns. They're nice little marbles.
And our table does slightly.
Yeah.
Our table does slightly slope, so not exactly gonna.
But they're going up. Not as quick as you'd have on a flat table, but
See, I'll hold it up a little bit. Yeah, this is.
nice.
I mean, I'm impressed.
That's legit. Yeah. Little elevator. Come on, guys. Get on the elevator. Let's go.
I mean, we basically made one of those, those old school marble runs that you used to go yourself. But now,
Yeah.
once you're done, you just
watch
you
it.
just watch it.
Yep. That
Pretty
kind of
great.
fits the modern era, doesn't it?
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it takes a lot of effort to hand crank.
Yeah,
marbles up. I ain't doing that.
We'll just let it run.
So, all in all, pretty cool. I can't speak on the printing side of it.
Printing side, the print files are provided by Bambu, and I think it was 8 separate sheet prints on the P1S, 25-ish hours of printing. I have one little spot on this corner that lifted, but like I said, I mean, I have that issue with my printer in the one spot, but it didn't affect the build.
And he
whatsoever.
stared at it the full 25 hours while I was printing.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
ate in front of it, peed in a Gatorade bottle.
When
He
you-
was dedicated.
You gotta go all in on these things. The filament, cheapest PLA filament I found. It's got a little bit of stringiness, but I'm gonna blame that on the filament.
In terms of the build, very well constructed. I mean, none of the parts, minus, like I said, the elevator pieces, the watch band, I like to call it. The others went fine. Even these screws that kind of hold all the different, junctured together here, those went on really nice. You just screw on and it holds the two pieces together in every spot. Slopes are right. They go down, they don't get stuck. I mean, like you said, any problems is our table. It goes like this.
Say one roll of filament, $20. That's the expensive end.
Mhm.
And then the motor for it, say $15.
And these are not standard size marbles, I wouldn't say.
They might be. I'd have
They're
to look.
actually
but they're
plastic.
they're super lightweight because they're plastic.
Yeah.
So that'd be the only concern. I don't know if you'd be able to put a
or like a glass marble.
Yeah, I
or
don't know if the
something.
weight would start to mess things up. I mean, the motor doesn't seem super cheap. It's just a
Uh-huh.
small, like,
And it wasn't stressing out at all. I mean, it had this thing flying.
yeah, and it's
Um,
not too loud, the motor. I mean, you'll hear the marbles over the motor any day.
yeah.
So for about 35 bucks and 25 hours of print time, I mean, what do you think?
Infinity Marble Run. I say
Yeah.
unpack it.
I agree. No, I mean, we're professionals. So if you have a little more issues than we did, it's understandable.
If we can put it together, anybody can. That's
Oh.
absolutely. I think it's pretty cool. A neat coffee table desk type item.
And it is big. Unpack this all day.
And we'll hit you with some more. If you haven't seen our other Bambu print videos, check them out. We also do a lot of Evercade handheld videos. So peruse the channel. We hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next time.